Myntri Rangbah Jala Konrad ke sangmah ne ke singi lo play ya Dare to Dream Academy ke jaka aji hikai lekai football jong ke Dream Foundation ringkat ke jing isno tilang bat ke Assam Rifle Public School BBFS Residential Academy Indian Football Foundation bat Bei Chungbutia Football School Hasai Nehu habanyo ya ke jing klan jong ki samla kum ke bor bantai Myntri Rangbah ulang ba kalong ke badan kamban penwandori ki sap ki pong jong ki samla ha karukam ke badai ketika jaka ia mentah ke don san pengut ki kena senrang nak keleng kethan jete lami ni ke Dream Foundation kawan ra ya ke program ajing hikai football ke balai senam harengkat ke jing sun tilang bat ke Bechung Butia Football School da ke jing tupu ban pen itu bat penwador ya kino ya lekai football na ke jela kethan jete lami ni nalor kane la penbiang ru ya ki weki jing ajing hikai sakin yo jing mentoy hagan ke sngi lepenong ru ya jing lekai football jong kena badan sap hagan e kaliang.
At the very outset, I would like to thank the Dream Foundation and would like to thank Mr. Baichung Bhutia for having taken this initiative and more importantly for having selected Shillong and the state of Meghalaya to start and to put up the first academy, a residential academy in the entire eastern region.
6 of the players from Meghalaya who are under our scholarship programs went on for India under 17 camp, and 2 of the players have gone on to play for India, and they are all from Meghalaya. So I think you can see the talent coming out from the region.